Welcome to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking tool that is changing the landscape of visual content creation forever: Pictory AI. In this video, we'll explore how Pictory AI leverages artificial intelligence to transform the way creators, designers, and marketers work with images. So, let's dive right in. 1. What is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is an advanced AI-powered platform that utilizes cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to enhance, edit, and generate stunning visual content. It's designed to streamline the creative process and unleash the potential of images like never before. 2. How Pictory AI works. Pictory AI harnesses the power of deep learning and neural networks to analyze and understand images. The tool can automatically identify objects, scenes, and even emotions within pictures, allowing for precise editing and enhancing. Whether it's removing unwanted elements, adjusting colors, or optimizing the composition, Pictory AI can do it all in just a few clicks. This makes it a game changer for busy professionals who need to create compelling visuals quickly. 3. Key features of Pictory AI. Let's take a closer look at some of Pictory AI's key features. A. Object removal. Easily erase unwanted objects or people from your images, without leaving any trace behind. B. Smart filters. Apply intelligent filters that adjust to the unique characteristics of each photo, providing a consistent and professional look. C. Style transfer. Transform your images with various artistic styles, turning your photos into stunning masterpieces. D. Background replacement. Swap out backgrounds effortlessly, opening up a world of creative possibilities. E. Image generation. Generate entirely new images based on your input, a fantastic tool for those seeking fresh ideas. F. Batch processing. Save time by processing multiple images simultaneously, perfect for large projects. G. Integration with popular software. Seamlessly integrate Pictory AI with popular editing software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. 4. Real-life use cases. Pictory AI has gained immense popularity across various industries. Photographers, graphic designers, social media managers, and marketers have all benefited from the ease and efficiency of this remarkable tool. 5. Pictory AI for businesses. Businesses are increasingly recognizing the value of visual content. With Pictory AI, creating eye-catching marketing materials has never been easier. From social media graphics to compelling ad campaigns, Pictory AI is a must-have for any marketing team. 6. The future of Pictory AI. The future of Pictory AI is promising. With ongoing advancements in AI technology, the tool will continue to evolve, offering even more impressive features and capabilities. We are eager to explore what is ahead. In conclusion, Pictory AI is a game-changer for the world of visual content creation. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Pictory AI empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Pictory AI's website now and experience the future of visual storytelling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you want to see more engaging stuff.